Good day, everyone. Welcome to Writing Workshop. Today is Thursday, August 27th, 2020. The materials you will need for today are a pencil and some notebook paper or your writing journal. If you don't have these supplies, collect what you need and then come back to push play when you're ready. You can pause the video now. The learning information we are covering today is moments with strong feelings. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to recognize the strong feelings that can come from moments that happen throughout your life, and you will be able to express the emotion through written word. There are so many moments with strong feelings: worry, fear, embarrassment, excitement, joy, and a lot of others. Think about one of these feelings and a time you may have connected to that feeling. I remember a time whenever I was really consumed with worry. About 2 years ago, my family lost both of our cars and our home with all of our belongings to a house fire. I was overwhelmed with sadness and worry. I worried that we would not have a home. I also worried that my children would not understand or get over what happened to them, to all of their clothes, toys, and other important things they had. I had to trust that everything was going to be okay in the end. But one thing that helped me process my strong emotions was through writing about them. I kept a journal and I wrote daily about everything I was feeling and going through. It really helped during those tough times. Let's think about times whenever you have felt some strong feelings. Look at the chart here. I'm going to tell you about some times when I felt strong emotions. The first emotion on the chart is cheerful. Let me think. A moment I felt cheerful was whenever my husband and I took our daughter for ice cream that she earned for keeping her room clean. She was so excited to be able to go get the ice cream that she earned. Did you feel that emotion as you were reading and hearing about it? Do you see the power in the words we write and the strong emotions that they can express? Another strong emotion we can feel is worried. As I told you all earlier, whenever we lost our home to a fire, I was extremely worried. As you can see, any of these emotions can be felt in different situations. Can you think of times whenever you felt any of these emotions? Think about a time you felt scared. Write down the time you felt scared. I will give you a few seconds to go ahead and pause the video and write this down. Thank you for writing down a time whenever you felt scared. When I got lost driving at night, I felt really scared. What about a time you felt sad? When my grandmother passed away, I felt extremely sad. Have you ever felt sadness? Go ahead and pause the video now and write down a time whenever you remember feeling sad. Great job. What about anger? Whenever I broke my favorite cooking pan, I was very angry and upset. I would like for you to take the opportunity to finish writing down a time you felt sadness or a time you felt anger. You can pause the video to do that now. I'm so glad that you joined me for today's lesson. I cannot wait to read all of the times you felt these strong emotions. Could you please have an adult help you take a picture of your written work and upload the picture into your Google Classroom? Also, please don't forget to participate in the journal entry for today. Think about one of the times that you have had strong feelings. Write down what happened, how you felt, and why. Here are some sentence stems to help you. One way you can use these sentence stems is to write, when my grandmother passed away, I felt sadness. The reason I felt sad is because I loved her very much and knew I would miss her daily. Thank you for joining me today and have a great day.